Hello there, my name is Oscar from Limitless Barriers. I represent Akillis self-adjusting knee pads. These are the knee pads that have solved 4 common problems with knee pads currently to date. The binding, the sweat, the need to readjust, and they are odorless by nature, so they won't smell like an old shoe inside your van or truck. Anyway, I'm introducing the new accessory, the Big Boy. This completes the system, the Akillis self-adjusting systems. There's other accessories to be coming down the pike, but we'll discuss that later on. Easy first time fitting. We have a video on YouTube, you can look it up. First time fitting of the Akillis self-adjusting knee pads. And this is for the Big Boy. Let me show you my pair of knee pads. These are the ones I've beaten down and they've worked wonderfully for me. I also use them for anything I do around the house. So I'm going to show you how you first time fit the Akillis Big Boy, which I just took out of its bag and whatnot. This is the Akillis Big Boy. This is the way I suggest that you should do your first time fitting. Flip him over. Then what you do is you open up your Akillis Big Boy accessory heavy duty Velcro strips. You put it facing down, lift up your straps, and let me show you from the top end how it looks. Okay, now we're looking down on the actual product. So we put it right over the knee pad, more or less I even it out so it looks aesthetically correct. There will be no spillage whatsoever of these tools because it always stays upright. We did extensive testing before doing the market test and taking it out to retail. What you do is you join at the furthest extreme, you even it out to the Velcro, and then you just walk it down. You do the same on the upper strap, even. Make sure you walk it down. Okay, so you walk this down too, so that way it won't move. It's just fantastic. This is what your system looks like now. You can put anything up in here. As you can tell, it has a lot of room up in here so that you can put all your tools, drivers, whatever you need. Spacers if you're doing your floors, whatever it may be. Now, let me go ahead and show you what the system looks like. This is my kitchen, and it's a raw, unedited video on how to use the Akillis self-adjusting knee pad system. Okay, so now we have our system here. I am sure it's wonderful. So what you do is you're supposed to put it inside your shoe, but you can also place it outside the shoe if it's a quick job. I didn't wear a belt to show that it could be worn with or without a belt on the pad seams. Again, you align it, it's your size, like my size. The Akillis self-adjusting knee pads for electricians, whether they're working up here or on their knees. All your tools are available at your fingertips. It's a great product for many, many applications, from gardening to welding to whatever it may be. So now you have them at your fingertips. The Akillis self-adjusting knee pad Big Boy has solved the problem of bumping into your tools. You got to go on a fishing expedition looking to see what you need, and it's not natural. This right here is very natural to get what you need. Anyway, the Akillis self-adjusting knee pad, no matter what you do, will be ready to work when you are. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate your time and the purchase. Thank you.